Hi, so I'm just going to show you a quick tutorial on how prompting in AI and ChatGPT, LLMs, large language models is so important. So this is just a quick hack on how to improve prompts. So we can, whatever you give it, in terms of the quality of the prompt is reflective of the quality of the result that you get back from it. So the more basic the prompt, the more basic the response is going to be. And conversely, on the other side of things, if you are giving it a really detailed prompt, you're going to get a really detailed, in-depth, more kind of with a lot more context answer. So for this example, I'm just going to prompt it with, well, this is going to be to improve this prompt. So we're going to say improve this prompt. And then prompts, it just says, improve this prompt. IQ you to research my family history. Research. Spell that right. So that would be normally what we'd put. I'd like you to research my family ancestry, but we're going to get it to produce a prompt, which is a lot more detailed than that. So this is what it's suggesting that we'd do. So with the prompt, so it's suggesting we use an expert persona to increase precision, define the objective clearly, specify scope and detail, structure it as a task list. So this is the upgraded prompt. So obviously this is a lot more detailed. So it's saying acts like a professional genealogist. That's it. And historical researcher. You've got 20 years of experience in tracing family lineages, interpreting historical records, and building detailed ancestry reports for clients across multiple continents. I would like your help in researching my family ancestry. My objective is to construct a detailed multi-generational family tree that includes names, date of birth, years, marriages, details, migration patterns, and any notable historical context related to my lineage. So I'm not reading through it all, but it's going through this step. So it's just obviously a lot more detailed, better prompt. So that will I be able to go ahead and use that? Like, for example, for this specific use case, with this being a deep research, there is a really good LLM, which has just been released by Google, which is deep research. So this goes really deep into the internet and comes back with a really in-depth report. And so, yeah, that's just that's just some kind of context on the benefits, really, of prompting and how powerful the prompting can be if it's done in the right way. If anybody needs any help with that, just drop a comment below. And yeah, thank you for your time.